Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about pivot tables. Pivot tables are an awesome way to take large amounts of raw data and visualize it in a much more useful way. So instead of browsing all that data manually, you can quickly read summary statements about your data in one simple table. Not only will a pivot table allow you and your team to draw out more useful insights, but it'll also make you look like you've got some serious analyst skills. And you don't even need to use any formulas. To make your pivot table, start with your sheet of raw data, known as your source data, and make sure there are no blank columns, blank cells, or merged cells. Now click Insert and select Pivot Table. If Excel doesn't automatically highlight your source data, you can select this little icon on the right and then select all the bits you want included. Next, choose where you want your pivot table to appear. Go ahead and select New Worksheet. Now you're ready to build your table. You'll see the pivot options in these 4 boxes. All you have to do is drag your fields from the top box down into the boxes below. It's best to start with the row labels box and drag your priority field into here. What do I mean by priority field? Well, for example, if you want to see which customers bought the most amount of products from you, then customers would be your priority field, as the customer is the focus point, and their purchases are second to that. Next, you're going to add your values, which are usually just a way to see a total count in relation to each of your rows. And here's the pivot table in action. It's just automatically counted and summarized that total revenue number for us. Now things get more interesting. You can drag fields into the report filter box to give yourself drill down options. So if we select quarter, you can see that we're able to view the summary data for just that quarter. Now you have a way of showing quick and very specific summaries of your data. Finally, use the column box to build more granularity in your table. For example, we can add Teams field here to show not only which customers bought the most from us, but we can also see which teams sold the most products and which teams were not so good. Pretty cool, right? Now you can get some serious recognition for your insights, all while gently planting the seed that Chris in sales really is a waste of space. Next up, you're going to learn how to start turning your pivot tables into a fully functioning dashboard. See you in part 2.